April, thank you very much. The Red Cross is in West Memphis, Arkansas, one of many communities impacted by flooding a month ago. WREG's Harrison Klopp caught up with the city's mayor, Marco McClendon, to see how the city is providing assistance to more than 160 homes.
After a generational flood hit the city of West Memphis a month ago, recovery efforts are still underway.
You know, even though all the water is gone, but there's a lot of people that didn't have the means necessary to repair what they lost. I think some are doing well, but still, in time, you know, people lose their livelihoods and lose their property. They're always going to need some type of assistance to get them back level where they can start to move forward.
He says West Memphis is doing everything they can to help residents, from organizing an event today with the American Red Cross to working with the Eastern Arkansas Realtors Association to provide up to $1,000 in financial assistance to the 160 affected homes. Mayor McClendon and the city are hopeful that FEMA, who was in the city just weeks ago collecting damage reports, can get relief packages signed by President Trump, who has publicly called the organization a disaster.
We want to make sure that the president goes through with the declaration to make sure that they can provide the funds that FEMA needs to give down to the people here in West Memphis.
But federal funding or not, Mayor McClendon believes his city will come back stronger.
And we're going to bounce back. We're not going to let this knock us down and keep us down. We're back on our feet right now and pretty much going back to normal. But like I did say, it is some families that are still dealing with some of the aftermath of this storm. So we want to make sure we can get them taken care of.
For your news leader from West Memphis, Arkansas, I'm Harrison Klopp, WREG News Channel 3.